and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll see how computers see images, pixels, red, green channels. What are these concepts? And today it's not, let's see, live coding or something like this, but would be somehow theoretical, but hopefully it will be, let's see, a good and let's see motivated. So have you ever seen how, let's see, ask yourself or wondered how computer actually sees images? So as we can see here, as a human you can see images is with colorful images, let's see, but the computer see the images is like a channels, and let's see a pixels. uh, for instance, for the color images, it's red, green, blue. So as you can see, for instance, this is the image, and if you now zoom in, if you try to zoom in any images, you can see this grids here, and this is the called pixels. And let me just move a little bit here. So, and as I said, imagine that you are zooming further and further until the whole things is turned into a tiny color block. So after this, for instance, after zooming in, you will also you will only see these blocks. So it's this called every rectangle. Let's see, it's called pixels. And let me back here. But how pixel actually hold colors? So it's simple. Every pixel is made up with three numbers: red, green, blue. And you can see, for instance, each image, color image, I'm just discussing here color images, has each image has three different channels, and each channel has, let's say, a values between 0 and 225, 255. And for instance, you can see the if the red channel here, this is the red channel, and this is green, blue. And if the red value is 0, the green is 0, and the blue is 0, so you can see it as a black, as a black. And if it's two 255, 255, 255, you can see it as a white color, and etc. So it's like each pixel has a different might be different, might be the same values. So like here we have in the white colors. So changing these numbers, and if you change this number, you can see different, let's see, image with different colors. It's like uh, let's see, having a paint. Uh, I don't know if it's the right word to see. But yeah, as you see, each image has three different channels for the red for the color images. So now, when you combine several colors, so when you mix these different colors, red plus, let's see, red plus green, you will get yellow colors. And if so, this is somehow mix. This is, I think, physics, or I don't know. But if you mix some colors, you will get a new color. And this the main, let's see, the main colors, only the main colors is red, green, blue. This is the main primarily, let's see, primarily colors. And the other one is just the secondary, or the result of combining of these colors. And let's see the channels. So your computer actually split each image into three layers, and these layers, as we have seen, it's the colors red, green, and blue, and stack them together, and you can see it as a full color, as a color images, let's see. And if you have now three different channels, and you try to combine them all, you will get a color images. So as you can see here, for instance, this is the red channel, this is the green, and this is the blue. If you combined all of these values, let's see, for each pixels, for all pixels, you can see this colorful image. And the good question here. So why should we care about all of these images and pixels? And So because this is the first step in computer vision. So computer vision is, let's say, is playing with pixels. So computer vision is working playing with images and of course videos, but videos also is a combination of images. Is, I mean, a sequence of images, and the teaching a computers to see the world. Sorry. So this, I mean, this pixels is the main. It's the first step in a computer vision, and with these steps, you will try to let's see for any application you will try to detect the face recognition. You will try to detect the defects in the based on the pixels values. You will see this image has a defect or not, and also for the autonomous driving. So you can for the more recent, let's see, cars that have several sensors, and this sensor try to detect the object and classify also the objects on fly. So there's no cloud here, and this is the main. I'll say the main concept of the images and pixels and the colors. So I think this could be helpful, and if you have, of course, any question, please drop it down in the comment below, and please subscribe into my channel, like the video, and happy learning. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.